want to see this though.
Check this out. It's going to be cool. I need you to call stop at any point.
Stop.
Right there. Check this out. Take your card. Show it to the camera.
You see it?
Put it face down so I can't see it, okay?
You see it?
Yeah, show it to them.
Alright, I see it. Alright, you put it down.
Yeah, put it down.
Yeah, she's got it.
Now, I said you, right?
Yeah.
It's the your turn. Call stop.
Alright.
Right there?
No. No, you keep going. Yeah, yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, there you go.
Got it?
Yes.
You can turn back the deck if you want. Tell me when you guys are
Both of them?
Yeah, it's both of them.
Yeah, they're both in there.
I'm not going to need them anymore. I'll just keep it down.
Oh, for sure.
So you seem a little easier than me.
Alright, you guys are part of it.
Keep me for last. Keep looking at me, okay? Visualize the card in front of you. There was a black guy. Six of spades. Eliminates you. Really hard.
He's like, yeah.
Have you ever been to this place in Howdy?
Yeah.
Cool fucking shit there, right? I need you to visualize your card on the napkin. Like if it was like, for example, 8 of hearts, you need to see an 8 and a heart, okay? Just visualize your card.
Alright.
Try this.
Some Chris Anderson, you know what I mean? See that? I see it already. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. Isn't that weird? That is weird, my nigga.
Dude, that is props. That is fucking props.
Crazy. I saw this phone, I was faded out of my fucking mind, and he was doing shit like this.
Dude, he just fucking made my number come up on a napkin.
A wet napkin, dog. It's the only dry part. Is that weird? Tell me.
And the 7 of diamonds.
This fool's gonna rip on Chris Angel. I mean, like, you guys have no idea. That's a trip, right?
Yeah.